Children, are you excited to learn something new today? Today we are going to learn about 7 wonders of the world in our general knowledge lesson. Children, do you like to go out to new places, like to move around the world? Yes. Children, do you like to share your experiences on beauty around us? What is the most beautiful place you have seen, like amusement park, hanging gardens, zoo, Juhu beaches, Nariman Point, and many so on? Children, you may have heard about 7 wonders. Children, do you know what they are? The 7 wonders of the world were first described as Timata by the Philo of Byzantium in 235 BC. Timata is a Greek word which means things to see, which in modern English relevant must see. Children, you probably saw a picture of the Statue of Liberty in New York or the Eiffel Tower in Paris. These are perhaps the two most famous monuments building meant to recall a person or event in the entire world. Asian societies constructed their own famous monument thousands of years ago. Though not all have survived, they are remembered as 7 wonders of the world. Children, today we will visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world and beautiful architectural monument by Shah Jahan to his love Mumtaz. The architectural style of Taj Mahal represents the Islamic, Indian and Persian styles. It took nearly 22 years to complete, and the architect for this monument is Irani architect Ustad Nearly 22,000 workers from Central Asia and India work for this monument. The history says that Shah Jahan removed the hands of artisans not to build like this monument anywhere. The dead body of Mumtaz has placed at the bank of river Yamuna. As he promised, he constructed the Taj Mahal over her grave. Even Shah Jahan's dead body was laid beside Mumtaz's tomb. The main attraction of Taj Mahal are the garden, main gateway, mosque and the tomb of the Taj Mahal. Gateway of Taj. The main attraction of Taj Mahal is its gateway or a darwaza. The gateway is beautifully decorated with the verses of Holy Quran. The letters on the gateway were beautifully engraved with a silver coating. Mosque inside the Taj Mahal. There is a mosque inside the Taj Mahal which was built by the Isa Muhammad. This mosque was placed on the west side of Taj, which faces the Makkah holy city. The walls of the mosque were beautifully carved with the verses of the Holy Quran. There is another attraction in the mosque is the grave of Mumtaz Mahal. A large number of Muslims used to pray Allah in this mosque, and there is a pool in front of the mosque for ablutions of the prayer. Garden in Taj Mahal attracts tourists, and it is the best photoshoot spot for tourists. After the main entrance, Garden of Taj will entertain you. The garden consists 16 flowers beds, and they are separated by water lines. The flower beds before the Taj Mahal attracts the hearts of the tourists. The things to do in Taj Mahal are exploring the architectural styles of the monument, visiting the garden, mosque, etc. Never miss the full moon day in Taj Mahal and the beautiful garden. Take photographs of your friends and families with Taj Mahal because it is the best place for the photo shoot. The best time to visit Taj from February to April and from October to December. During this time, the weather is comfortable for tourists to enjoy. The rest of the time, the weather will be very hot or cold, which may cause uneasy to tourists. And the best time to visit the Taj is during the sunrise and the sunset. At this time, the Taj Mahal glows in a different way, which attracts tourists. India is really blessed with such heritage, and we should be proud of it and take care of it. Children, I hope you enjoyed the visit to the Taj Mahal.